In order to use a Biltmore stick and find the diameter of a tree, you have to begin by holding it arm length away from your eye level. And then you have to hold it 4.5 feet above the ground. So for me, how I determine where 4.5 feet is above the ground, it's at my chin level. So I'll be holding the Biltmore stick at my chin level off above the ground. As I measure the tree here, it looks like it is 40 inches wide in diameter. The other side could be different though, so we have to find the other side and average it. So here, as I measure it, it's about 30 inches. So 40 plus 30 is 70, and divide it by 2 and you get 35 as your average. In order to find how many 16-foot logs you can get from the tree, you have to be 66 paces away, or 66 feet away, and measure it from stump height. So for me, 66 feet is 34 paces. So I'll just be walking that way. Okay. So, from stump height, I can see that there's going to be about 3 16-foot logs that comes from this tree. How you can determine where to stop your measurements on the stick is to see where the main cluster of branches is, because then the people that come and cut down the tree will be able to use all the excess wood for chipping or maybe making paper. And so for us, for this tree, which is pretty big, you can get about 3 16-foot logs. And that is how you use a Biltmore stick.